Okay, today we're going to show you how to fix a knob handle that keeps falling off. You can see it just goes on and off. And here's what the problem is. You've got this screw here that it's worked its way inside, so it's not sticking out far enough to hold the handle in. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the handle on. There's a hole right here where you'll insert the key. And then we're going to twist that out so it will actually move up inside of that hole and it will no longer fall out. Okay, so to fix this doorknob, what you'll need is this X wrench, or there's sometimes called Allen wrenches, and this is a 3/32. It would not work with keeping this wrench on, or this key on this tool. I had to take this off, and you just unscrew this with another Allen wrench, take this off, and then you can pull the screw out and then pull this out because it was too wide and it wouldn't fit into the hole. So again, I'll just go ahead. I'm going to slide this on. You need to then take your hex wrench and then just go ahead and twist it. And this is a Kwikset doorknob. And you'll just go ahead, we'll twist it out as far as it will go. Now, not all doorknobs will be like this. This is a Kwikset again. And see, now we've got it out so that it's inside of that hole. And now it's stuck. It's not going to come out. So it's a really simple fix. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.